Solitaire Cash allows withdrawals that can be processed back to the payment method used for deposits, while World Winner officially supports PayPal withdrawals but says they can take up to 10 business days. By the end, you'll know 5 Solitaire apps worth checking for PayPal cashouts, how each payout system works, and which one has the clearest withdrawal rules. Number 5. Solitaire Clash. Solitaire Clash is a competitive solitaire app built around cash tournaments and skill-based play. The important detail is that cash tournaments are separate from simply downloading or playing the game. Before entering a paid tournament, check the current withdrawal options in the app, because payment methods and eligibility can vary by location. Number 4. Solitaire Smash. Solitaire Smash is another competitive solitaire game that offers cash-based tournaments. The basic gameplay is free to download, but cash competitions can have separate requirements. If PayPal is your priority, check the withdrawal screen before depositing because the available payment method matters more than the app's advertising. Number 3. Solitaire Cube. Solitaire Cube uses competitive Klondike Solitaire, with players competing in timed matches. The app has practice play, as well as real money competitions. The practical move is to use the practice mode first, then verify whether PayPal is currently available for withdrawals in your location before entering a paid contest. Number 2. World Winner. World Winner is a larger skill game platform that includes solitaire alongside other competitive games. Its official support documentation specifically lists PayPal as a withdrawal method. There is one major catch. World Winner says you must have made at least one cash deposit before you can withdraw cash winnings. It also says PayPal withdrawals can take up to 10 business days to process. World Winner 101. That makes World Winner a legitimate PayPal option, but not the choice if you're looking for an instant cash out. Number 1. Solitaire Cash. Solitaire Cash stands out because its official withdrawal instructions explain the process directly inside the app. You open an account, select Withdraw, enter the amount, and submit the request. The company says withdrawals are processed within 14 days, with players usually receiving funds within 2 business days. It also says withdrawals may be processed as refunds to the original payment method. Solitaire Cash Student. So the biggest thing to understand is that pays to PayPal doesn't automatically mean instant PayPal money. Processing times, deposit history, eligibility, and your original payment method can all affect the withdrawal. Before you play, check the withdrawal page first. Confirm that PayPal is supported for your account, check the minimum withdrawal requirement, and read the current tournament rules. That gives you a much clearer picture of whether the app actually fits what you're looking for. If you want more rankings of Solitaire and other cash-paying apps, like the video and subscribe.